In this video we will go back to the Cauchy Schwarz inequality and explain some things that needs to be explained. The integral form of the Cauchy Schwarz. So I'm gonna write the integral form right here. This is bounded by this integral. And this is bounded by the product of these two integrals. Let's explain how where this bit comes from. Let me take the function h of x, and this is bounded by the modulus of h of x. And minus the absolute value of h of x. Okay? H of x equals f of x times g of x. So it's minus f times g. I obtain this inequality by doing this substitution. Now I integrate from a to b. Now this can be rewritten in the following form: the integral from a to b f times g dx bounded from the integral from a to b of the product of the functions in absolute value. This is how I get this part here, the first part. So I know that the integral from a to b of f times, so the absolute value here of f times g dx satisfies this bound. And I also have that the integral from a to b f times g dx is bounded by the integral over a to b of the absolute value of the product of the two functions. I subtract and I have 0 less or equal than the integral from a to b f squared dx. So I have the product of the two integrals minus the integral from a to b, this integral here. I take this to the other side. And I obtain the desired inequality.